Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Van Nam Lake. We're gonna go right to it. All those beautiful palm trees. And you can see the Macau Tower. So this is basically where all the judicial systems are. I guess it's a public space. So you're right next to the waterfront where people are filming already. But slowly we're gonna be seeing something being built here. Okay, here's a street I've never filmed. It's near the all the judicial offices, and right there is Macau Tower. I'm going to be talking about that little field right there. They're building a train line right there. Way down there you can see those pink buildings. That's all part of East overlook Sai Van Lake. We'll talk about that too. And that's all type of that's all Macau proper. I think I hear a plane or a car. But anyways, we're going to be going down this one, and I'm going to get out of the street because I am in the street right at the moment. And I'm going to walk down there and kind of show you this whole little area. I think, yeah, something a little bit different for you guys. Okay, good, there's no car. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, there's the Macau Tower. I kind of want to go over there first. I guess I can talk about it while I go by it. But this one right here, and maybe this one as well, they're building a lot, and what they're building is a train line. So we're gonna see. I'll tell you about that in a moment. I can't really see into it, but basically what they're doing is they're going to be building a light rail transit station right in there. There's the judicial offices over there, and so that's going to go. One of the stops is here, and they've been doing a lot of construction about it, so it'll be interesting to see what it looks like. And in this video we're going to show you a little bit about Sai Van Lake, and then we're going to walk all around this Praça, the Legislative Assembly. But this is this beautiful street called the panoramic view of the avenue of Van Nam Lake. We're gonna go right to it. All those beautiful palm trees. It's funny, I film Macau a lot, but I haven't filmed in this area in a few years. Not that I haven't been here though. But you have this beautiful little waterfront right there. And now you can overlook the skyline of Macau, so at nighttime it looks amazing. The daytime it just looks kind of so-so. And over there you can see, they're also, I saw some construction over there too, so they might create a little walkway that goes all the way around, possibly. And that stuff out in the water is for the dragon boat racing. And up there you can see Peña Hill, up at the top, up on the mountain over there. Macau Tower in the background. Then these are some of the judicial courts, which I'm not sure if I can film or not, but I'm gonna come around here. I guess we'll go directly down this way, and you can see the Macau Tower. So this is basically where all the judicial systems are. I guess it's a public space. So you're right next to the waterfront where people are filming already. So we're gonna walk by the Legislative Assembly and Macau Tower as well. So you can see the sign there. And then right around the corner you're gonna see a bunch of judicial buildings. So I'll capture that as well so you get an idea of the street. See, there's more of it here. And more of it over here with the Macau Tower in the background. And I guess these are government buildings. I don't know if, I just don't know. I feel like you're not supposed to film, but I am in a public space too. So this street is called April the 25th. I don't think I filmed this street before either. And we're just gonna go around this circle because that's the best idea, that you can kind of see what it looks like. And then over there, okay, let's just kind of keep on going. You got some bus stops right here too, so there's 3 different buses that come here. 9A, 23, 32. You also got the temperature, 29 degrees Celsius, 87% humidity today. And we're just gonna come back around and actually I haven't filmed the street particularly, one, because all there really is are these office buildings. But now they're becoming quite a bit more interesting because of this new train line. So I'm gonna come on over here, and then you can see the Macau Tower right there. So that's the big focus of this area right there. And right over here, actually for the longest time, that and that were just kind of nothing. I didn't really know what they were. But slowly we're going to be seeing something being built here. So it's kind of interesting to see what might be there. There's the Macau Tower. So anyways, we just basically did the whole little Legislative Assembly Plaza. And on that note, there's Grand Lisboa, some of the casinos. And we're just going to end the video right there. A little slice of Macau for you. Small slice, but a slice nonetheless. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la